In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Google for flights, a step that can be both exciting and overwhelming with the plethora of options available. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or just looking to explore potential destinations, Google Flights is a powerful tool to help you find the best flights based on your preferences and budget. So, let's dive in and make your flight search experience as smooth as possible. Firstly, start by navigating to Google Flights. You can do this by entering https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your web browser's address bar. This direct approach brings you to the homepage of Google Flights, where your journey to find the perfect flight begins. Upon landing on the Google Flights page, you'll notice a sign-in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. Signing into your Google account is a beneficial step as it allows Google Flights to provide personalized recommendations based on your search history and preferences. This feature can greatly enhance your flight search experience by making it more tailored to your needs. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to choose a Google account. Select the account you wish to use for this session. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts on your device, you'll see a list of these accounts. Choose the one you want to associate with your flight search activities. This step is about ensuring that all your flight search data is synchronized with your preferred Google account. Next, you'll need to type in your Google password. This is a standard security measure to verify your identity and protect your account. Enter your password carefully, and once you're done, proceed by clicking on the Next button. This action will complete the sign-in process, taking you back to the Google Flights interface. Now that you're signed in, let's start the actual flight search process. To begin, choose your starting location. Google Flights allows you to type in the city, airport code, or country you're departing from. The platform is quite intuitive and offers suggestions as you type, making it easier to find and select your departure point. Following the selection of your departure location, it's time to choose your destination. Similar to the previous step, you can type in a city, airport, or country's name. The flexibility here is fantastic, enabling you to explore flights to various destinations across the globe, be it a specific city or a country you wish to explore. Once your departure and arrival points are set, the next step involves choosing your departure dates. Google Flights presents a calendar view, allowing you to easily browse through dates to find the ones that best match your schedule. This tool also highlights price variations across different dates, enabling you to make cost-effective decisions if your travel dates are flexible. After selecting your dates, click on Done. This action will close the calendar view and take you back to the flight search interface, where you can now see flight options based on the criteria you've set. The excitement builds as you're one step closer to finding your ideal flight. At this stage, you might want to further refine your search or explore more options. Click on the Explore button, which allows you to see a broader range of flights, including different times of the day, airlines, and even alternative dates that could offer better deals. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're not missing out on any great opportunities. Finally, it's time to choose your flight. Based on your selected criteria, Google Flights will display a range of flight options. You can compare prices, flight durations, layovers, and other relevant details to make an informed decision. The platform also offers filters to narrow down your search, such as the number of stops, airlines, and times, making it easier to find the perfect flight that matches all your preferences. In summary, Google Flights is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to find the best flights for their travels. By following these steps, you'll navigate the platform with ease, from signing in with your Google account for a personalized experience to selecting your flight with confidence. Remember to take advantage of Google Flights' flexible search options and comprehensive filters to ensure you're getting the most out of your search. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a complex international journey, Google Flights stands ready to guide you to your next adventure. Happy flying,